Hey guys, this is Chelsea, and in today's video I'm going to do a planner haul slash unboxing. First, I'm going to share with you a bunch of Etsy purchases that I made. I think these are all from Etsy, I'm not sure. But I've already opened them, but I'm still excited to show you what I got. Okay, I'm gonna start with my Van Sticky order. So I don't think I ordered these. I think Mary just sent it to me, but they're so cute. I love these little notepads. And then this is like the little name card that came with my order. I've got a couple of little bows to stick onto my rewards card. I love this. And then I think this is a freebie. And the freebies were out of control. I think these two were also freebies. Okay, there's just so much cute stuff. Like, look at this. I love it so much. So cute. I showed you that. And then these are her new little like Instagram icons. They're so teeny tiny. And I like Valencia because she has blonde hair like I do. And then I got the little pen die cut set. So cute. And then this one where she's like planning at her desk. And then this is, what did she call it? Oh, geotag. These are her little geotag ones. These are so cute. And I love how there's like different facial expressions and poses. And then this came with my order. I'm not sure what size it is. I think it might be like 5x7, so it'll fit perfectly in my B6. Alright, so the next shop is Planner Monkey Co. And I actually have, you'll see in some of the other items as well, I have little page flags covering up coupon codes. So Sydney, the shop owner, is super sweet, and we actually did a swap. So I think, yeah, this is my swap items, and then these are things that I purchased like afterwards because I knew this wasn't gonna be enough. So I got her little bow bookmark thing, and then this cute coffee cup die cut. I love this one. Look how cute these are. Their eyes, so endearing. And then this one where she's like dressed up as a little Easter bunny, so cute. I'm sorry, I'm probably gonna say like cute 1,010,000 times. And then this one I got custom with my name. Oh, that's cute. So I think I purchased during a sale, yeah, the Great Canadian Planner Sale. Look how pretty this freebie is. I don't think I could ever bring myself to use it. So I got these little like napping time ones. Adorable. I got an Easter set. And then this is a birthday countdown because my birthday's coming up next month. Oh my gosh, it's next month. Oh, okay. I don't know how I feel about that. So yeah, this is a little card that comes with every order. So I got this custom name one. This says, "Don't let anyone tell you you're not a unicorn." This one with planners. I think I already have this one, I don't know. And then this one, her cute little girl. I love it so much. So these are so funny. I love like sassy stickers like these. Not today. We have some bows. These are like different facial expressions, kind of like emojis. Look at this one. I love that so much. F you. Okay. Shit day. Excuse my language. Sorry if you don't like that, but you know, some days are just shit days. We've got bow stickers. Can never have too many bows. And then, oh, this is a little freebie. I love it. Everything is just so cute. So thank you so much, Sydney, for doing the swap with me. I absolutely love everything. Okay, so the next shop I'm gonna share is not, well, I don't know, they might have stickers. I should probably check before I say anything. But I've ordered clips from her. This is 3 glitter peas. And I think this is my second order. Not disappointed at all. Okay, so, I mean, she's got tons of different little felty clips, but I am obsessed with all these bows. So this one is like a little charm that you can clip onto your TN or wherever. Look at that hollow glitter, holy moly. Okay, and then I have, these two are almost the same style. They are a magnetic clip. I love it so much. Let's see, so this is a different style bow. I think it's a little more dainty, really cute. And then this one, it's taped on here. This is a lot, no, it's not a lot like this other one. This has like chunkier glitter. This glitter's a little bit more fine. Still very pretty. So I love everything from this shop. Definitely recommend 3 glitter peas. Okay, so this next item is from Rekha shop. I'm not sure if I'm saying it correctly, my apologies. But this was a new shop when I ordered, so they're still relatively new, but the owner is super sweet, and I just had to order because there's like corgi items and I have to have all the corgi things. So here's the shop name here. It's on Etsy, and I mean, this is just like too much cuteness. So I got a bunch of die cuts, and look at that corgi butt. These look just like my dog Penny. Oh, I love it so much. And I think, yeah, these are all hand painted. I mean, it's like, you know, she paints them and turns them into digital artwork that she can make into die cuts and stickers. But they're beautiful. I mean, the color is awesome. The print quality is amazing. I'm obsessed. And then this is a little freebie that I got. So she also has this little character in her shop. I can't remember the name. That's terrible of me, I'm sorry. But she's really cute. I just got all the corgi items. So I got these. My dog literally makes that face every time she turns around and looks at me. It's a whole lot of sass. Okay, got some more corgi butts. And then this one, these are like all the die cut designs into a sticker sheet. So I love this shop. So, so cute. And then this is like the reward card that came with my order. All right, and the next shop I purchased from was Arya's Daydream. This is the first time I've ever ordered from her, but Alice, the owner, she's very sweet, and she's actually ordered from us a few times. So I'm so happy that I finally could support her shop, and I am over the moon with every single thing that I received in my order. Okay, so I purchased her anniversary bundle, and it came with, actually, let me show you the individual items. I also ordered a few, like, just sticker sheets from her shop. I got these pastel bow glitter boxes. Her sticker paper is fantastic, and the print is amazing. So pretty, and there's so much glitter everywhere. If you're really into like girly, glittery things, you will love this shop. So those are all like the extra sheets that I purchased, and then I got her anniversary bundle. So the anniversary bundle came with a ton of samplers from other shops. So these are from Happy Scrappy, and I already used one. And I love that everything coordinates really well together. This is from Bubba Bear Studios. Look how adorable. If you follow me on Instagram, you may have already seen all this stuff because I know I shared this on my Instagram stories, but I wanted to go ahead and post it here on YouTube for all my subscribers. This is from KPL Plans. I love this. Awesome. Okay, let's make it sparkle. And I've seen this shop before with like the little avocados. They're so cute. I need to place an order with them. Paper Dove shop. Look how freaking gorgeous these marble stickers are. Love it. Spot Drop. This is another shop I want to purchase from. Look at the little hippo. I am dying, you guys. So cute. Okay, Sparkly Paper Co. I love Ashley's shop. She's got so many cute little critters. And then this is Once More with Love, the Munchkins. Y'all know everybody loves the Munchkins. And then this is Grin and Bear It. I love this whole thing. It's just so cute. So those are all the little freebies from other shops that came with the bundle. So the bundle, I don't know if this came in the bundle or if this is something she just threw in, but we have a little washi sample, and I believe this is from Simply Gilded. This is a little bow tab from Ashley Lee Designs. This is like amazing quality. I definitely recommend her shop. And then we have a couple of die cuts. So this is Once More with Love, and then this is her collab with Van Sticky. Super cute. We've got a Fox and Pip vinyl bow, and this is like a really dark purple glitter. Very pretty. And then some sticky notes. I love these so much. She's so cute. And I love how well everything matches together. So I got this sticker sheet. And then this is the Shopiversary sampler. Everything has glitter on it. I'm obsessed. Okay, so here's the sticker kit. We've got the date covers. I mean, these colors, they're just amazing. Look at these freaking glitter headers. Okay. Then we have this functional sampler, so you get like icons, flags, stuff like that. I love it. We've got lots of half boxes, quarter boxes, some little functional ones down here, and then we have checklists with a weekly box right there, labels and headers and little things, and then the full boxes. Look how gorgeous. These colors, like the I'm sorry, just the quality is top notch. I definitely recommend this shop. And then here is the washi. So I love everything. Thank you so much, Alice. I'm sorry I didn't purchase from your shop sooner, but I will be back. Okay, and then the last thing is a new planner. So the owner of Choose to Do, I don't think she's on Etsy, I think it's their own website, contacted us to see if we wanted to do a swap, and they sent me a planner. I'm very excited to share it with you. First, I wanted to show you, they also sent some inserts, and they've given me a code to share with you. The code is ShineSticker15, and I'm assuming that that's for 15% off. All right, here we go. I have not opened this yet. I've been dying to open it, but I've exercised self-restraint just for you. Okay, look how cute. I love the packaging. Everything's black and beautiful. So this shop specializes in holographic planners, so y'all know I was not about to pass this up. Holy moly. Okay, so whoa, I just had to take a minute and look at this. Look how gorgeous it is. Oh, all the hollow. I am totally on a hollow kick right now. Ooh, I like the black. That's cool. Okay, so yes, I'm not really into ring planners anymore. I've been using Traveler's Notebooks pretty exclusively for, I don't know, like a year or something like that. But ring planners are making a comeback, and I just could not pass on the hollow. Okay, so this is obviously really well made. Here's their little logo right here, choose to do. I like that. You get 1, 2, 3 card pockets, and then this one down here, K. You can stuff things in here. This, I don't know what kind of material that is, but it's black. Okay, it's black material. The rings look smallish. I'm not sure what size they are, but you could definitely fit a lot more than what is in here. So it comes with a black ruler. I like this frosted divider that it comes with. That could even be a page lifter. It comes with a nice thick black cardstock set of blank dividers. Ooh, with some black paper that you could do like blackout planning in, if you've ever seen that before. It's really cool. Some dot grid paper. This paper feels really nice. It's like a cream color. Okay. And then you have some lined pages. And grid. Ooh, I like this. You get one of everything. And then another page lifter back here. That's really cool. So you get a big pocket back here, and then another one there and there, and then an elastic pen loop, and that looks like a really good size. Let's test it out. Yes, I love it. Look, I mean, it's just so pretty. I can't get over the hollowness. So yeah, you guys definitely need to go check out their website. They have different colors too, and they have some that are like A5 size notebook covers if you use like a bullet journal or a traveler's notebook style planner. And if you do check them out, don't forget to use my code ShineSticker15. Thank you so much, PW, for sending this. I love it. Now I just need to figure out how I'm gonna use it. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm thinking of doing a plan with me in the near future, so you definitely need to make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you don't miss out on that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.